Hello, I'm Ludovic Le Renard. I'm a postdoctoral researcher in Berbee Lab. So in my work, I study microscopic fungi associated with plant leaves, and I try to study their evolution over geological times. So I collect living fungi on plants like that one, either on the leaf litter or on living leaves. And I compare them to fossilized fungi that look very much like them. Fungi do indeed fossilize, and very often it's along plants. So if you want to find fossil fungi, you need to look for plants in the first place. So I'm chasing plants in search of fungi through geological time. Originally, I was not particularly dedicated to biology. I was just always very curious about nature around me. And at the end of high school, I was neither too much into chemistry, math, or physics. So by default, I chose biology. And once I reached university, I just fell in love with biology. As I was studying biology, of all the diversity of living organisms that they presented us, fungi was the most enigmatic to me. It felt like they had been around me all that time and I had not sort of acknowledged them. So I figured that I could study them to acknowledge them for the rest of my life. So my favorite research memory is a field trip I took during my PhD dissertation. We went to collect fossils in northern Vancouver Island. A water taxi dropped us on a remote beach, and he dropped us at the lowest tide possible, so during July, so that we could have access to rocks that were exposed very far in the intertidal. And we collected fossils all morning as the tide was sort of coming up, filling crates with rocks. And just a few moments before the water taxi came to pick us up, there was almost no more beach left and we were just sort of along the forest, and we could start hearing like signs of bears. So the taxi really got us at the right time. And it was a really wonderful journey through the fossil record of British Columbia, which people don't know enough about. Because fungi distract me all the time, I gotta find something else to sort of keep connected with things that are moving. One of the things that distract me when fungi are not that noticeable, which is the driest part of the year, are flies. They are everywhere, and among them, I think I really like overfly, the syrphids. They look like bees or wasps or all sorts of threatening insects, and they are not threatening at all. They're just here to enjoy flower nectar, apparently.